just put it like this. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mrs. Jwo TV. Merry Christmas in advance, guys. So in today's video, I just want to transform my hair. I don't really know if it's going to come out the way I want it, okay? But let's keep our finger crossed. I'm going to try my best. So before I start, if today is your first time coming across this channel, you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. You can see my low cut. This is my original hair. Today no wig, so I just want to transform my look. Let's see if it's going to work. But first of all, let me show you guys something. So this was the last product that I used, okay? This one is Bongodi color. So the last time I used this one, it did come out well. My hair still remained black, okay? So this one is a Palette Professional Performance. Look at it. I used this one. It didn't work on my hair. I don't really know why, because according to where I bought it from, the person assured me that it's going to work. So, but it didn't work the last time I tried it. Then I went ahead and bought another one again. This one is Beyond. I just said, let me try this one out. This one is Glady color. So let's try this one out and see if this one is going to work. This one is the water. So while this one is the cream, then this is the shampoo. Then we have the manual. You can see it, we have the hand glove inside. We'll be missing this cream inside the water. I'm going to use the cover and open it. Okay, you just put it like this. Then it's opened. Okay, you can see it now, like this. Let's give it a try. I'm not 100% sure that it's going to work, but let's just give it a try. It's very thick. Okay, this is how it looks. Look at it. Let me just apply it like this. And see it's going to turn out Beyond. Okay, according to the instruction, after applying the cream on my hair, I'm going to cover my hair for like 20 minutes before I wash it off, okay? Find the cream on my hair. So this is how it looks right now. I don't know if it's going to work, okay? This is how it looks right now. You see? Let's see if it's going to work. So I have this comb. So I'm just going to use it and massage it so that the cream will get to my scalp. Let's see the back. Okay, so guys, I'm going to cover it. Okay guys, okay, let's see whether it's going to work. Let me see. I think it's 20 minutes. So guys, you can see it. The color didn't work. The hair still remain black, exactly how it did do the other last time. So that is it. You can see it now. So the lady, I said this color is not for we, the black people, you see. She said, no, go and try it out. It's going to work. It's going to work. I said, okay, no problem. If not my daughter and my husband, when they really force me, they say, carry on now. Maybe it's going to work. It's going to work. You see? So the thing don't, work out. This one I just sold now. So I'm going to make my orders on Amazon. Work. I knew it before. I said it. So let me just comb my hair. I'm going out. I'm going to somewhere. Hey, look at my hair. It didn't work out, guys. It didn't work out. I knew it before. And I said it. And I spent €7. I see my natural hair. Anyway, it's looking beautiful. So the thing did work out. I'm going to make orders from Amazon. I'm going to try that one. I believe they will have exactly what I want. Okay, so guys, thank you all so much. In case you have watched from the beginning to this moment, thank you all guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy this video. In case you do not hesitate to subscribe and turn on your notification bell till I come your way again, guys. Bye.